Alright, so it's lunchtime. I'm cooking chicken. Mrs. Prop's just chilling. So I got my cast iron here. Some pre-marinated chicken we brought with us. And yeah, nothing else out here has changed. 2 trucks have come by, that's about it. We're just chilling. Feels good to relax. So we're having lunch, we're gonna relax. I did a little bit of crawling. I'm gonna take some photos when the sun starts going down. So the sun's right here, it's pretty bright. But once it goes down, it will be right over these mountains right here. It makes a really nice sunset. The dog is loving it. He's having a great time, so we're super pumped. All right, so the sun is setting. Mrs. Prop's enjoying a sandwich and a pickle. You know she likes the pickles. The dog is begging because he's a dog. And yeah, this is the state of the day. The sun has dipped down behind that mountain range there, or whatever you want to call them. And this is what it looks like. So we wound up staying here for the day. Tomorrow is going to be a super fun day. What are we going to do, babe? Tell them.
We're going to the dunes, finally.
Woohoo! We're going to go to the dunes. Someone looks a little cold, but yeah, we're going to the dunes and we're going to do some dune stuff, I guess. So be ready for that. And I guess we'll talk to you tomorrow. We're going to chill out for the night, watch our movie, pass out, and dune it up. Okay.
Death Valley Movie Theater.
Death Valley Movie Theater,
Look for it next time you come to visit Death Valley.
It's on top of a Tacoma. Wow, look at this. We're on our way over to the dunes. It is now Friday, and it's very windy, and it looks really creepy as we're kind of driving through here. Bunch of people out. See more people in Death Valley this year than any other year, but it's really cool. It's warm, 72, but just windy. So trying to figure out what we're gonna do for the day. The pup might have hurt his leg or something. We're not sure what's going on with him, so we're giving him some time. We're not sure if we're gonna have to cut the trip short or not. But he seems okay. It doesn't seem like he's in pain. But like, he wouldn't put his leg down. There was nothing in his paw. But all of a sudden he just went from super happy playing around, having a good time, to he wouldn't stop licking. And there's nothing in it, but we're not sure what's going on. So we're not sure what we're gonna do. But that's the current situation, so stay tuned. Here's a quick update. I don't know. We're stuck in a windstorm. The pup is better. We came into town and he was able to walk and he's using his leg again. We got a little service so we could reach out because I didn't really tell anybody we were leaving. All of a sudden all the posts and everything just stopped. So everyone's probably like, huh, or maybe not. I don't know. But
we want to, we're hoping that's the case, right?
So we're just trying to wait out the windstorm to get back out. So the pup's better, so we don't have to leave, which is good. But hopefully the wind dies down because it's going to be a long night. But after today, it looks like it should be good. So we'll report back, I guess, if we do anything interesting. For now, we're just going to be sitting in the truck. Woohoo! Okay, so it's still super windy. But we made it out to the dunes, hoping that the wind will die down so we can go on a walk. So we're just posted up, doing some battery charging on the tailgate with the Jackery, eating, drinking, chilling. You know. It's boring. There's not much to do with the wind, but hopefully tomorrow we don't have this problem. And hopefully we can sleep tonight. That's what I'm worried about. Okay, here we are. We're in Stovepipe Wells at the campground. No boondocking tonight. It's so windy, I don't know what you can hear. We just got the tent open, and it's going to be a wild night because the tents are crazy in the wind. The rooftops are just up there in the wind. Big disadvantage of a rooftop tent. You can't use a vehicle to block any of the wind or a small tree, and they're loud when you're up there. So I don't know what it's going to be like, but that's just a little town over there, Stovepipe. And yeah, so this is what we're doing for the night because this is where we want to be tomorrow. We got our headlamps on, there's other people camping around us, so yeah, it is what it is.